Enigma TV presents In the Kitchen with Hurricane Ronnie.
You good, babe? Quiet on the set.
It's like the easiest way to cut a bell pepper and not get seeds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Show me how you cut that onion. It looks moist.
Huh. Everything is.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
Making jokes.
Quiet on the set. She put all of that into that. Now she's doing that. And we're gonna have some of that. And then we got some of that and that. I'm just showing y'all in case I miss some stuff. On that. Damn, I'm full. I got it.
Lick the batter. I love to lick the little ringy.
That means there's a lot of people that's gonna want to subscribe and watch it. And I'm just showing real good. So y'all mix it with your rice, okay, people? You mix this with this, okay?
Usually I mix it in the pot, but
I'm just telling them people at home, you know, in New York and California and all that, they don't want to know how to make jambalaya. So y'all subscribe, okay? We're giving away all these good secrets. Subscribe. Tell your mama subscribe. Tell your daddy subscribe. Your aunt subscribe. Your cousin, your mom, and your brothers.
I'm not gonna mix more in it.
Because she only mixes mine. She ain't going to y'all house and mix yours. You gotta do that. Oh, and now the battery light comes on. See y'all next time. The cornbread's coming too. See y'all next time.